Hello guys, you're welcome once again to today's video. So this is the point where most people find it difficult when applying for the DV lottery. All right, so in this year 2024, most people are going to face the same problem, that is the photo editing. Okay, so when it gets to the place where you are supposed to upload your picture, that is where most people find it difficult. So this is the website. This is from the travel.state.gov. This is a government website in the United States for visas, and this is a photo tool, that is the standard photo tool for US visa application. Okay, so if you get to this website, you can edit your photo to the standard that they are looking for. All right, so we have here the tips for a good photo that we have in person, but what we are focusing on is how to get the standard for this DV lottery. So let's look at some of the tips here and let's scroll down. So as you can see here, we have the first one, which is good example. So this is a good example of it here. So these are some of the good example of pictures that you are supposed to take. Now as you can see, let's look at the size and then the position. They have given us two examples here. With the first one, this is good. All right, so this one is good, but if you go to the next one, it is saying that subject too close to camera. Okay, so we shouldn't be too close to the camera. And then pose and expression. So good expression, this is very bad, this is not allowed, this is not allowed. Okay, this is not allowed. So make sure that when you get to this website, you just look through, you just go through the tips for taking the good picture. Okay, so after taking your picture, what you have to do is just to come to this website and edit it to the standard that they are looking for. What you have to do is that if you scroll down here, you will see choose photo to begin, and then we have example. This is typical example of it here, and we have choose photo. So after taking your raw photo with your phone or with your camera, what you have to do is you just come to this website, and what you have to do is you just tap on choose photo now. Okay, so it is going to take you to your gallery, and you select the type of photo that you want to crop or you want to edit, and it is going to do it for you perfectly. Okay, so when you are done, you just have to download the picture, and then you use it for your DV lottery application. Thank you for watching this video.